Right, well, hello everybody. Hope you're all safe. Hope you are all well. You joined me on Remembrance Sunday, and also the very first ride on my Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager. Oh, I'm not going to make today too much about the bike. Obviously, today has a much more important meaning. But yeah, I thought this would be a great place for the bike, and its first venture, its first ride out. I'm still obviously learning it a lot, so yeah, let's see how I do. Let's see how I do, and obviously let's go and ride for a great cause. One thing I will say is it's a big old bit of bike, but it handles really well, feels really light once it's moving, as I'm sure does everything I've ever ridden and ever talked about on the channel. It's really light when it's moving. Yes, Rhythmic. Oh, pops. A few little pops from the Vulcan Hinds. Oh, scraped a foot peg. I scraped a foot peg on my first ride. Quality. It was only a baby one, but at least we now know the limitations. Not very far. Well, it's an absolutely fantastic turnout. Look at that. Look at that turnout. There are so many people here, despite the weather, despite the cold. It's actually quite dry, so it's not the end of the world, but all for a good cause, all for Remembrance Sunday. Love this Triumph here that's put the flags on it. That's fantastic. Nice to see the locals. Sarah's like, I love waving at people. It is really nice. Everyone's out and about. He's on his phone, which we shouldn't promote, but I suppose he's not going anywhere. He's quite happy to stay at the junction. It's absolutely wonderful. It's so nice to see the local community come out, holding up flags, wearing their poppies, waving to all the bikers, all for a good cause. So the ride so far has been quite a decent pace, actually. Not too fast, not too slow. Not that we'd be keeping up with anything fast these days, but it's also doing a really good job, this group, in sticking together, because apparently, I didn't know this, but we heard about it before the ride out. The legislations, the law has all changed, and you can't do a lot of roundabout blocking anymore. I'm not sure if that's what's still happening here. Okay, so it is still happening. Oh no, it's not, because they're parked. Oh no, well, stood on the road, I suppose. Well, apparently you're not allowed to do it anymore. Apparently there's like new laws, new legislation, new everything about it. So yeah, I didn't know about that, and that is going to make big organised group rides very difficult. I suppose it does come down to if you're ever seen. Do you know what I mean? You've still got to be seen to be doing it, but no, today for the Remembrance Sunday ride, it actually hasn't had any impact at all. We've had the odd car in between us, but they've been very respectful and very good from what I can see. So yeah, it's business as usual, and I'm so glad that this group and this ride in particular have been able to stay together and show their respects. This has been a really enjoyable ride so far. It's lovely to see that some bikes have gone above and beyond. This one in front, absolutely decorated there with the Union Jack, Help for Heroes, all good messages, all for an absolutely lovely cause to help those that have served us and come back, protected us, and yeah, now it's our turn to do whatever bit for them that we can. And yeah, it goes without saying, but obviously I just want to put on the record that I am forever grateful for everybody, for every man and woman who has helped, served in the armed forces, protected their country in wars old and unfortunately ongoing. You are a credit, you are protectors, you are saviours, and yeah, your sacrifices, please know they don't go unnoticed and they don't go unappreciated. So yeah, thank you so much all for what you do. All right, awesome. So big shout out to the Christian Motorcyclist Association, I should say, for putting on that ride, hosting the service. It really was beautiful, really was fantastic. And yeah, thank you for everybody who attended this ride. Thank you to all the group leaders, and once again, thank you to all the men and women that serve our great nation, help protect our values, help protect freedom. And yeah, where are they going? Oh, they're all going over there. Oh, okay, well, maybe I'd like to go with them. But yeah, guys, I'm not going to ramble on too much today. I really, really, really do appreciate you taking the time to tune in and watch. And yeah, if you did enjoy it, slap a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do consider to do so. Whatever you do, leave a comment, leave your thanks. I absolutely love that tiger with the poppies. And yeah, guys, until the next time. Sorry, mate. Until the next time. Cheers. What there?